Mercedes-Benz Malaysia has just launched the E350 AMG line, and here are the things you need to know about the range-topping model of the E-Class lineup. On the outside, the E350 AMG line offers multi-beam LED headlamps with adaptive high beam assist plus and 19-inch light alloy wheels as you've seen in the previous E350e model. The car also features the newly added dynamic body control suspension as standard that works in tandem with the different drive modes available. The new E350 is powered by a new 2-litre engine with twin-scroll turbochargers supported by a mild hybrid system consisting of a 48-volt electrical system and a belt-driven starter generator. Combined with the 9G Tronic automatic transmission, the E350 makes 299 horsepower and 400 Nm of torque, good for a 0 to 100 time of 5.9 seconds. The cabin is largely similar to the range-topping E-Class models from before. Standard equipment includes Nepal leather upholstery, a panoramic sunroof, Burmester sound system, and an AMG multifunction sports steering wheel. The new E350 is now equipped with a 360-degree camera, active parking assist, and driving assistance package. The latter offers adaptive cruise control, active lane keeping assist, and blind spot assist, along with autonomous emergency braking. The locally assembled Mercedes-Benz E350 AMG line is priced at 399,888 ringgit on the road without insurance. Also joining the E350 is the new E200 Sport Style Avantgarde at 329,888 ringgit and the E300 exclusive line at 379,888 ringgit. For more information on the new range of Mercedes-Benz E-Class, do log on to AutoBuzz.my.